Alright, it is day 22. Today we should arrive in Calgary. Also, this is where we slept last night. It was about the same feeling as sleeping in a tent, but a lot colder. And also the truck kind of stands a little bit like this, so I kept sliding down against the wall, so I woke up like once an hour and had to crawl back up. I think I just did something ingenious. So I bought one of these like jalapeno cheese and like sausage sticks. And then I have this, and if you put them in there, ta-da!
Put the plastic away before.
No shit. Yeah. No guys, sorry to have to break it to you, but that's not a sheep. So we just entered the Highway 1, and I remember this part of it from 2012.
Das hat einer verloren vom Auto.
And someone lost their bike in... Someone lost their bike. Aha, so these lazy people are taking their bikes by a lift up here. We biked all the way up. And the lift stopped. Ha, that's what you get. Alright, so that was day 22. We're in Calgary now. It's West Calgary on a campground that costs us about, I believe, $55 for a night. Expensive, but tomorrow we'll be checking in at a hotel and leaving this guy behind. This is where I sleep tonight. And yeah, then we'll probably still have the bikes for some days before we pack him and send them to Vancouver for next year. And yeah, all of that gets solved tomorrow, so see ya.